Good day, everyone. I am Brian Japanganiban, and today I will tell you how Leandro Libiste, a young Filipino technopreneur, helps power our country through solar power, and it will show how innovation can change the system of our country. Leandro Libiste is one of the most inspiring technopreneurs in the Philippines today. At a very young age, he built a company that challenged the traditional energy system. This presentation follows his story, from his early life to his struggles, his successes, and the impact he continues. Leandro Lubiste is the founder and CEO of Solar Philippines. He became one of the youngest CEOs to have a company listed on the Philippines Stock Exchange. He was also included in the Forbes of 30 Under Asia list because of his work in renewable energy. Most importantly, he is a strong believer that solar power can change the future of Philippines. Leandro was born in 1993 and grew up in a family involved in public service. He studied at Yale University but decided to leave before finishing his degree because he had bigger dream to make solar energy more affordable. He was inspired by innovators like Elon Musk and he wanted to bring the same kind of impact to the Philippines. In 2013, at only 20 years old, Leandro founded Solar Philippines. He started small by installing rooftop solar panels in malls and commercial buildings. Even though he was young, he believed that the Philippines could one day rely on clean and renewable energy. His goal was simple but powerful: make solar power cheaper than coal. Solar Philippines eventually grew into the largest solar energy company in the country. They built massive solar farms, opened a solar panel manufacturing plant, and partnered with big companies like SM and Meralco. They also brought solar microgrids to rural communities, giving electricity to areas that had never been connected to the power grid. Of course, the journey was not easy. Solar project requires a lot of money and many people were doubtful that solar energy could work in the Philippines. There were also many government rules and technical challenges. But despite the struggles, Leandro succeeded. His company, public, raised billions in investment and proves that clean energy can compete with traditional power sources. Today, Solar Philippines is one of the biggest renewable energy developers in Southeast Asia. Leandro's work has made huge impact on society. His project helped reduce carbon emission. Leandro's work has made a huge impact on society. His project helps reduce carbon emission, create jobs, and lower electricity costs. By bringing solar power to remote communities, he also gives opportunities to families who live far from the main electrical grid. And as a young technopreneur, he inspires many Filipinos to use technology to solve real problems. For me, the story of Leandro Lubiste is a reminder that age should never stop someone from making a difference. His courage to leave school, take risks, and focus on renewable energy shows the importance of believing in your ideas. I learned that being a technopreneur is not just about business, it's about creating solutions that help people protect the environment and improve the future. In conclusion, Leandro Lubista is a great example for how a technology and passion can create real change into our system. That renewable energy is possible in Philippines and how we encourage the young innovators to lead the way to our bright future. Thank you for listening.